Kamusta mga sadik? Welcome back sa ating channel for today's video. Panibagong vlog, panibagong katalentador naman, panibagong prank naman in public. Walang iba, from Indonesia, Rizky Rian. Episode 72 na tayo. So ano pang hinintay natin? Tara, simulan natin to. Come on, man. That's what the way looks. Look at this. Look at this guy. This area. Relax. Come on, man. Woo. Come on. She's been in love. Take a look at this. Very gentle. Come on. Woo. Look at the still looks. Ooh, nice, man. Sabay takbo. Mga titik. Yan. Look at him. They're in love. This guy. Two girls were in love for this guy. Even this content, but in reality, sometimes it's true. Come on, guys. Take a look at the guy at the back. The back. Come on. The bodyguard of Rizky Rian. Take a look at this guy at the back. The bodyguard. Come on. Oh! This is the wife of Rizky Rian. Take a look at this. She's very beautiful. Come on. The one of this guy. Is this woman? This guy? She's a very beautiful. Oh, come on. Another prank. Ooh. The eye of this guy is very naked. When he looks, come on. They're melting. As cold as ice cream. Come on. Woo. Ooh. Nice, man. like the way you do. Ooh! It's something different. Bata pa yan. Come on. Ooh! Sinasabi ko. Mga banat ng malupitan. Okay, tangay mo na. Ah! Another prank. Another paasa. Another kilig moment. And another prank. Another prank. Another. Again and again. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. Woo! Yan yung mga in love. Look at this. Yung mga in love sa kanya. Tingnan mo naman, oh. Hindi mapakali. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Wow. Yan ang sinasabi ko. May flower. Wala na. Oh.
No.
Tawag dyan, isang ngiti mo lang. Akin ka. Pag tumingin ka, akin ka. Kaya tumingin, siguradong kanyang dalawa. Oh, come on, man. Woo! Siya. Woo! Diyan sila nila, sabay takbo. There's a prank. Oh, come on, man. Marami na naman na prank at marami na naman pinaasa. Ang kagandahan doon, binibigyan niya ng bulaklak. At isa pa, yung nasa kalagitnaan ng video, yun ang kanyang naging asawa. Napakaganda, napakamatangkad pa yun. Yung nasa kotse, yung biglang halik, yun ang tunay na asawa niya. Kaya hanggang sa reaction natin, episode 73 na tayo, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. It's been a long time. All the way from Indonesia, from the Philippines, Bobby Hang TV, Mabuhay Philippines.
All we'll ever trust, yeah.